I am Dr. W. V. Gunole from Kamlanir Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are discussing what is cycloalkanes and what are the methods of formation of cycloalkane and also some nomenclature of the cycloalkane compounds. And cycloalkanes are the saturated hydrocarbons in which the carbon atom joined by the single covalent bond and forming the rings, and therefore these are also known as alicyclic compounds, and in these compounds are resemble with alkane in many respects. And examples of cycloalkanes are cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane, and so on. And so general formula of cycloalkane is the CH2N. N maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And in this case, we are going to discuss what are the what is the nomenclature of the cycloalkane and different methods of formation of cycloalkane. So in today's part, we are discussing these topics. So the topic is alkanes and cycloalkane. This is the part number 6, and in this part number 6 we are going to know the what is cycloalkane, what is the nomenclature of cycloalkane, and some methods of formation of cycloalkanes. And as we know, this compound is resembled with alkane in many respects, and as we know, alicyclic aliphatic cyclic compound are also known as alicyclic. And in this case, ali means aliphatic acid and cyclic means the ring structure of the compound. So these compounds are so named because they resemble aliphatic compound in most of their properties and has cyclic structure. Due to their cyclic nature, they differ from aliphatic compounds in some respect. Alicyclic compounds are also called carbocyclic compound because their rings are made up of only carbon atoms. So this is about the cycloalkane, and as we know, cycloalkane are the saturated hydrocarbons in which the carbon atom joined by the single covalent bond, and therefore they are also called known as the alicyclic compounds. An example of these compounds are cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, and like that, and they can be expressed in general formula. General formula of the cycloalkane is CH2N. And like open chain hydrocarbon, alicyclic compounds also be saturated or unsaturated, and therefore saturated alicyclic compound correspond to the alkane, and which are known as cycloalkanes. And these compounds, those compounds to the alkene are also known as cycloalkane. So saturated alicyclic compound correspond to alkane, known as the cycloalkane, and those correspond to the alkene are known as the cycloalkane. So cycloalkane, cycloalkene, similar to alkane are there. So what are the here? How to write the name of the cycloalkane by IUPAC nomenclature? So according to the IUPAC system, the saturated alicyclic hydrocarbons are known as the cycloalkane. So IUPAC name of alicyclic hydrocarbons are cycloalkane, and common and IUPAC name of these cycloalkanes are given here. Here are this is the compound contain 3 carbon atoms, CH2, CH2, CH2. So this is cyclic. Common name is the trimethylene. CH2 is known as methylene. ये जो CH2 है उसको बोलते हैं मिथिलीन. CH for मीथेन, CH3 मिथिल, and CH2 को क्या बोलते हैं? मिथिलीन. So 3 CH2 groups are there. So it is known as trimethylene. Tri means 3 and methylene CH2. 3 methylene है इसलिए उसको बोलते हैं trimethylene. And IUPAC name is cyclopropane. So IUPAC name is cycloalkane. Now here 3 carbons are there, therefore cyclopropane. Similarly here, this compound is known as 4 carbons are there, tetramethylene, also known as cyclobutane. This compound contains 5 carbon, known as pentamethylene, and name is the here cyclopentane. And this compound is the 6 carbon are there, hexamethylene, and IUPAC name is the cyclohexane. So these are the names, common names, and IUPAC name of the cycloalkanes. And in case of the cycloalkane, for simplicity, cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane can also be represented by the geometrical figures. तो वैसा CH2 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 न लिखते हुए ऐसा ज्योमेट्रिकल मतलब ऐसा ट्रायंगल निकालो, मतलब यहाँ पे CH2 यहाँ पे CH2 यहाँ CH2, इसको बोलते हैं साइक्लोप्रोपेन. and this is known as 4 carbons are there cyclobutane. This is the cyclopentane, and this one is the cyclohexane. So this cycloalkane can also be represented by the geometrical figures. तो ऐसे तीन है इसके ट्रायंगल स्क्वायर ऐसा इस टाइप से उसको अपन ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर में भी अपन उसको दिखा सकते हैं. सो दीज आर नोन एज द cycloalkanes. Now there are some methods of formation of cycloalkanes, and first method of formation of cycloalkane is from benzene. Different methods are there. So first is the from benzene. Cycloalkane and its derivative can be obtained by passing hydrogen gas through the benzene or its derivative and in the presence of nickel as a catalyst and at temperature 423 to 473 Kelvin. So at this temperature, so this is the benzene C6H6. What is now here? We have to pass the hydrogen gas. So 3 molecules of hydrogen in the presence of nickel as catalyst, and at this temperature, what is then these 3 H2 with 6 hydrogens are there, they get added at each carbon, and we get this type of compound which is known as cyclohexane. तो यहाँ पे है CH2, 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 CH2. 6 carbon, 6 hydrogens are there, 3 molecules of hydrogen, and they get added, and we get the cyclohexane. So benzene is converted to cyclohexane by the passing the hydrogen gas through the benzene, and in this case, nickel is the important catalyst, and the temperature we have to maintain. Then benzene is converted to cyclohexane. Second method is there. From dihalogen compounds. Dihalogen compound which contain 2 halogen. So terminal dihalides, when reacted with the sodium or zinc, forming the cycloalkane. So again now repeat here, I am repeating what is dihalides, terminal dihalides, which are present at the two end of the compound. Terminal dihalide when treated with the sodium or zinc metal to form cycloalkane. This reaction is an extension of Wurtz reaction and useful for the preparation of 3 to 6 membered ring. तो इसमें देखो ये compound है. This is a compound which contains 3 carbon and known as the 1,3-dichloropropane. 3 कार्बन है इसलिए प्रोपेन, और ये आप इसको नंबर देंगे 1, 2, 3 कार्बन, इसको 1, 2, 3, और 1 और 3 पे क्या है Cl है, तो 2 है इसलिए डाइक्लोरो, तो 1,3-dichloropropane, and it reacts with the sodium or the zinc metal. So when it reacts with the sodium metal, and when we heat, we get here these 2 Cl and sodium, ये 2 सोडियम और ये 2 Cl, यहाँ से 2 NaCl कंपाउंड फॉर्म हो जाएगा, और ये बॉन्ड गेट यहाँ पे ज्वाइन हो जाएगा, तो ये मिला है साइक्लोप्रोपेन. सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ दी 1,4-dibromobutane, 1, 2, 3, 4, तो 1 और 4 पे क्या है Br, तो 1,4-dibromobutane react with the zinc and in the presence of sodium iodide as a catalyst. So then ये zinc और Br, ये ZnBr2 निकल जाएगा. So this is the ZnBr2 and we get this compound cyclobutane. So simple methods are there. So this is the second method. We can prepare, we can get cycloalkane from the dihalogen compounds. So this is second method, and third method is from phenol. Now cyclohexane can also be obtained from the phenol, which involve 3 steps. तो इसमें 3 steps है. Cycloalkanes obtained from the phenol, and this method consists of following 3 steps. So first step is the reduction of phenol to cyclohexanol. Phenol को पहले cyclohexanol, then dehydration of cyclohexanol to cyclohexene, and then reduction of cyclohexene to the cyclohexane. ऐसे 3 steps है. तो ये रिएक्शन में ही दिखा है, दिस इज द फिनॉल C6H5OH फिनॉल है. इसको इसमें क्या करना है, अभी ये कन्वर्ट करना है फिनॉल टू साइक्लोहेक्सेनॉल. फिनॉल इज देयर एंड 3 हाइड्रोजन वी हैव टू ऐड. तो ये डबल बॉन्ड है अल्टरनेट, इसमें अभी 3 हाइड्रोजन ऐड करने के बाद हर एक कार्बन पे एक ऐड हो जाएगा, तो वी गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ कंपाउंड. यहाँ पे CH है, CH2, 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 यहाँ पे था, यहाँ पे CH हो गया OH. इसका नाम है cyclohexanol. Now this compound undergo the reaction विथ Al2O3 एट 350 डिग्री सेल्सियस, इसमें से क्या होता है, वाटर निकल जाता है. There is a removal of water and we obtained water. This is the OH from this carbon, H from this carbon. मतलब ये दो जो कार्बन है, OH is removed from this carbon and H from this carbon. तो OH और H वाटर निकल जाएगा. यहाँ पे CH, यहाँ पे CH बाकी, तो यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड आएगा. इसको बोलते हैं साइक्लोहेक्सीन. दिस कंपाउंड व्हेन रिएक्ट विद द हाइड्रोजन, इसको अभी क्या करना है, रिडक्शन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ निकेल एंड 250 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर उसको मेंटेन करना है. तो यहाँ से ये दो हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएंगे, तो वी गेट दिस कंपाउंड विच इज नोन एज साइक्लोहेक्सेन. तो इन दिस वे cyclohexane is obtained from phenol, and three steps are there: reduction of phenol to cyclohexanol, dehydration of cyclohexanol to cyclohexene, and reduction of cyclohexane to cyclohexane. तो ये simple reaction है. From this we get cyclohexane from the phenol. Number 4 reaction is there from calcium salt of dicarboxylic acid. So when the calcium or barium salt of dicarboxylic acid are heated, cyclic ketones are formed. The cyclic ketone can be readily converted into corresponding cycloalkane by the Clemmensen reduction. तो ये देखो इसमें this is the calcium adipate, and this compound from this CaCO3, देखो इस टाइप से Ca और ये CO3 यहाँ का ऑक्सीजन, तो क्या मिलेगा, ये CaCO3 जाने के बाद यहाँ पे इस टाइप से कंपाउंड मिल जाता है. यहाँ पे बॉन्ड फॉर्म हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे CH2, यहाँ पे रहेगा CO. ये देखो CO. तो यहाँ पे CO आने के बाद इसको क्या करना है, HCl और जिंक अमलगम के साथ रिएक्ट करना है, और इसमें यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन दो आ जाएंगे और वाटर निकल जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे CH2 यहाँ पे C की जगह CH2 और H2 निकल जाएगा. साइक्लोपेंटेन इज द प्रोडक्ट. सो बाय calcium, from the calcium salt of dicarboxylic acid, we also obtained the cyclopentane from the calcium adipate. So this is also another method of formation of cycloalkane from the calcium salt of dicarboxylic acid. So two carboxylic acids are there, but now this is the calcium salt of dicarboxylic acid, which is known as calcium adipate. Number 5 method is from alkene, which is also known as Siemens-Smith reactions. In this reaction, alkene are treated with the methylene iodide, CH2I2, methylene iodide. This is the methylene iodide, CH2I2, in the presence of zinc copper couple, and forming cyclopropane derivative. तो इसमें देखो सिंपल रिएक्शन है. इसमें भी यहाँ पे मिथिलीन आयोडाइड रिएक्ट विद द प्रोपीन, एंड हियर इन प्लेस ऑफ जिंक कॉपर कपल इन द प्लेस ऑफ ईथर. तो ये जो है यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाता है CH2, जहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड है, डबल बॉन्ड निकल जाता है, और यहाँ पे देखो इस टाइप से ये CH2 ऐड हो जाता है, आयोडीन निकल जाता है, एंड वी गेट दिस इज द कंपाउंड नोन एज द मिथिल साइक्लोप्रोपेन. ये साइक्लोप्रोपेन है, लेकिन यहाँ पे H की जगह CH है, तो मिथिल साइक्लोप्रोपेन, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइक्लोहेक्सेन, साइक्लोप्रोपेन. अनदर कंपाउंड, दिस इज ब्यूटीन, 2-ब्यूटीन. कार्बन नंबर 2 पे क्या है, डबल बॉन्ड, तो इसको बोलते हैं 2-ब्यूटीन, एंड रिएक्ट विद द मिथिलीन आयोडाइड. तो ये CH2 फिर से यहाँ पे जहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड है उस कार्बन को अटैच हो जाता है. यहाँ पे देखो CH2, तो इस यहाँ पे ये साइक्लोप्रोपेन है, तो ये 1 और ये 2 पे मिथिलीन है, मिथिल है, इसलिए 1,2 डाइमिथिल साइक्लोप्रोपेन. सो दीज आर द कंपाउंड्स obtained. Cycloalkane can be obtained from the alkene, and here propene give methyl cyclopropane, butene give 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane. So these are the number 5 reaction. One more reaction is there from ester of dicarboxylic acids, which is known as Dickmann reaction. So number 6, it is a cycloalkane also obtained from ester of the dicarboxylic acids, also known as the Dickmann reaction. In this case, ester of dicarboxylic acid, when treated with the sodium metal, it undergoes the intramolecular acetoacetic ester condensation, intramolecular, and beta ketoester is formed, and this beta ketoester on hydrolysis give cyclic ketone. These on reduction give the corresponding cycloalkane. So here this is the diethyl adipate, again डाइथिल एडिपेट, एंड इसमें से C2H5OH निकल जाएगा, वो C2H5 और C2H5OH निकल गया. व्हेन वी रिएक्ट विद द सोडियम वी ऑब्टेन दिस कंपाउंड तो यहाँ पे ACH पे CO CH5 है और यहाँ पे ये CO है, ये दोनों CH दो कार्बन के बीच में CO. Then it undergo the reaction with water and H plus ion acid. तो इसमें ये जो है C2H5OH निकल जाएगा और ये यहाँ पे आएगा तो COH आ गया. ऐसे C2H5 ये वाटर है, OH इथेनॉल निकल जाएगा और ये यहाँ पे आ गया कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. When it is heated, CO2 is removed. ये CO2 निकल जाएगा हीट करने के बाद. So we obtain this type of. After this, it undergo the reduction. इसमें दो हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो जाएंगे तो CH2 हो जाएगा और वाटर रिलीज. सो इन दिस वे साइक्लोपेंटेन इज obtained from the ester of dicarboxylic acids. So this is the number 6 method. So cycloalkane can be obtained from ester of dicarboxylic acid from diethyl adipate, and we obtain the cyclopentane in this case. And number 7 reaction is also there from Grignard reagent. As we know, alkyl magnesium iodide, the various cycloalkane also be obtained by the reaction corresponding to the haloalkanes and react with the Grignard reagent. And what here, so this is the compound, and in this case this is the cyclobutane, but now bromocyclobutane. When react with the magnesium in presence of ether, we obtain this magnesium. Here bromine get add here with magnesium, and when we do the hydrolysis, then what is MgBrOH is removed, and here one H is coming here. So what is now, this is the compound which is known as cyclobutane. So this is the different types of cycloalkane can be prepared by from the haloalkanes. So this is the haloalkanes, bromocyclobutane. So this is the name, bromocyclobutane. React with magnesium, we get this addition compound, which on hydrolysis we get the cyclobutane. MgBrOH is other product. So this is the reaction from which the cycloalkane, in this case cyclobutane, is obtained from bromocyclobutane. So this is the 7th method of formation of cycloalkane. So these 7 methods are there, and so today we have seen what are the different methods of formation of cycloalkane, and initially we have seen what is cycloalkane, what are the nomenclature of these common names and IPC name of the these cyclic early cyclic compound as cycloalkanes. After that, some methods we have seen how we get cycloalkane from different methods. So today we stop here, and in the next part we will discuss the chemical reactions of cycloalkanes.